Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a very important chapter, that is profit and loss. Okay, so let's see the question on profit and loss chapter. So the first is the cost price of a shirt is 200 and the selling price is 250. Find the profit percentage. Forget about all the formulas that you learned from various books. Just keep a simple concept that you buy a product at 200 and sold that product at 250. How much you are gaining? 50 rupees you are gaining, right? 50 rupees you are gaining. And what is the amount that you invested in order to gain this 50 rupees? 200. Simply 50 upon 200. So this comes out to be 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 you have to convert it in percentage. So multiply by 100. This comes out to be 25%. Simple. So this much simple this chapter is. Let's move towards next question. With a period of time we will find little difficult question as well. So with respect to time, slowly we will go towards the difficult question. So don't worry, all the questions we will going to cover in this slides. So here is a question that Mr. Sharma buys a cooler. Okay, Mr. Sharma buys a cooler for rupees 4,500. For how much he sell it to gain a profit of 8%? So he brought a cooler, cost price is 4500, and he need to sell it at 8% gain. So I told you 100% he always have, 8% means plus 8. So actually he want to sell it one at a price of 108% of the cost price. So that will be your selling price. So cost price into how much percentage gain? 8%. So 100 he always have, 8% you need to add. So now this is 108 by 100 equal to the price, the selling price at which he will get that product. Okay, simple thing, simple thing. Now you can solve this thing. So this can be cut out, this can be cut. 54 by 50, right? Again you can cut it. 27 by 25. So ahead you can cut it with this one, 45, and you will get the answer. Okay, so the price that comes out to be 4860 rupees. So this will be the selling price of the product in order to gain how much profit? 20% profit. Okay, simple question. Let's move towards next question. By selling a fridge for rupees 7200, Pankaj lost 10%. Find the cost price of the fridge. So at what price he is selling it, right? At what price he sold that fridge? 7200, and Pankaj lost 10%. Okay, so cost price was something, but he lost 10%. So what that means, he earlier have 100%, but now 10% loss means at what percentage he is selling that product? 90%. So 90 by 100 equal to 7200, right? This you can solve it, this you can solve it. So 9 will go in denominator. So 9 if you cut down, so it comes out to be 72. That means it's 8, right? 80 into 80, sorry, 800 into 10, that comes out to be 8000. So 8000 was the cost price, but because he is selling it at how much percent loss? 10% loss. So because of that he is selling that thing at what price? 7200. Okay, simple questions. Let's move towards next question. Okay, now this is the type of question that may come in your exam. Means this is the first type I can say that will come to your examination. Okay, so earlier were just to make you familiar with the concept. Now this type of question will come. So if 11 oranges are brought for 10 and sold at 10 for 11, what that means? What is the gain or loss? Okay, so this is quantity, this is rupees. So 11 oranges he brought and he is selling those at 10. 10, right? And similarly he's brought 10 oranges, 10 means 10 oranges, and selling it at 11 rupees per, right? This is your cost price at which he brought the orange, and this is your selling price, right? So here you have to uh, do one thing. You have to do same sell the same quantity, right? To sell the same quantity, here it is 11, here is it 10, so you can multiply it by 10, you can multiply this by 11, right? So this comes out to be 110 oranges, right? And into 10, this will again into 10, because upper you are multiplying with 10. Why you are multiplying 10? Because you have to do the same quantity, right? So you multiply it by 10, so 110 oranges he brought at 100 rupees, and same 110 oranges he is selling, and into 10 into 11. So 11 into 11 means how much? 1211, right? 11 into 11 comes out to be 211. So this is your cost price, this is your selling price. So you invested 100 rupees and you are gaining 121 rupees. How much you are gaining? 21 rupees you are gaining. And on what amount you are gaining? How much you need to expend in order to gain those 21 rupees? That is 100. So this comes out to be 21 by 100. So into 100, so this comes out to be 21%. So the total gain is 21%. Simple question, just you need to remember what is asked in the question. You just need to equate the quantity. If it is told to you that there are 11 oranges and there are 10 oranges, so you have to make the quantity same. So in order to make the quantity same, you have to multiply with the cross number, right? So you can do this. So simple question, just you need to understand the concept. Everything become very simple in aptitude. Okay, let's move towards next question. Okay, now this question is similar to the one which we did earlier. So just try. First you have to try, and then you have to see the solution. That is the basic funda before solving any questions in any aptitude exams. Okay, or while you are preparing, do in the same order which I am telling you. Okay, so here is that a fruit seller buys apple at a rate of 12 per dozen, okay, and sell them at a rate of 15 for 12, okay. So same thing you have to apply there. Okay, same thing you have to apply it there. Find out the gain or loss profit percentage. So he is buying how much? 12. In a dozen there are 12 pieces, and at what rate he is selling? 12 for 12 per dozen. So 12 rupees, and 12 bananas or apples he is selling, right? Or he brought, right? He buys means this comes out to be its cost price. He buys this, and at what price he is selling? 15 apple he is selling at the rate of 12, right? So this comes out to be your selling price. Now you have to make this two quantities equal. So I can find out that if I multiply 12 by 5, this comes out to be 60. Okay, and similarly if I multiply 15 by 4, this comes out to be 60, right? So if I multiply this by 5, I have to multiply this by 5, and if I multiply this by 4, I have to multiply this by 4. So this comes out to be 12 into 5, this comes out to be 60. So he invested 60 from his pocket. Okay, and how much he is gaining? How much he is gaining? 48, right? 48 he is gaining, right? Now the quantity are same, so you can compare it. So 60 rupee he invested from his pocket, 48 he is gaining. So how much he is gaining? He is not gaining, he is actually losing here. So he is losing 12 rupees. And what price he invested from his pocket? 60 rupees he invested, right? So this comes out to be 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 you have to convert in percentage. This comes out to be 20%. Simple, simple. Thank you.